in remote areas. Why would they put down the price if it's already like at that level price,
600 meters. Turn
right?
left.
Yeah, boy. Good morning. It's a smoky day. Morning Wednesday. It's 13 degrees pero smoky kaya naglagay ako ng mask.
Turn right onto Queensway.
Yan, punta tayo sa customer natin. Yan, masyadong mausok na. Ayaw ko na talaga sa Canada. Grabe. Or dito lang sa North PC. Sa mausok din eh. Sa East, dahil sa Manitoba Fire. Siyempre, yung jet stream papuntang East.
Continue on British Columbia
Ayan.
97 South for 3 kilometers.
Punta tayo sa highway. Anong kahapon, ang ganda eh. Nung isa pa lalo. Walang ka-smoke. Ngayon eh, nababalot na tayo ng smoke. Nagiging tinapa na tayo rito. So, ayun. Ano ba topic natin? Kaya pamumuhay dito sa Canada. Yan, naisip ko na ang pagre-retiro on my early 50s. So, ang pagre-retiro, it's not a matter of like exact age, right? It's a matter of your preparation and financial situation. So for now, there's so many bills coming. Bills sa internet, bills sa hydro, meaning sa electricity. Hydroelectricity ito BC Hydro. Fortis BC is gas, yung for the heat, tsaka yung mga natural gas yun eh. Yun yung sa pag nagluluto tayo, may gas range tayo eh. Yun, it's supposed to be better,
Continental Way.
right? Ang gas range for hindi electricity. Tapos yung heat din sa pag-heat sa winter time, gas din. So lahat yun kasama, property tax, integrated na sa mortgage, which is around 2,000
Turn right onto Continental Way. Then turn left onto Pacific
a month. Bi-weekly is 1,000. So,
Turn left onto
ayan.
in 800 meters.
Ang interest rate ng tumaas kasi. From ngayon 4.99 fix. Finix ko nung beginning of kailan ba kami? 2020 tapos 2025. So nag-renew. Tumaas from 3 something. Naging 4.99. So hopefully, I don't know kung bababaan yung interest rate. And if you have to break your mortgage, insurance, they have to pay for
Turn left to stay on Pacific.
for
Then turn
breaking the
right to
lease,
stay on
right?
Pacific.
And then but if kung makakasave ka pa ng more, it's better. So yun,
Turn right.
bumuhay. Tapos ano pa ba ang mga groceries. I haven't really groceries namin is I use PC Financial MasterCard, and then so you can get some points, and then I get some extra $20 off, $10 off. I take it right away because that's money for groceries, right? So yun, around, I'll say another $600 to $800, I think, for groceries a month. Depending on how you guys eat. Grocery, like the price of steak has really gone up. You'd see in the post sa mga social media na ang steak is $50 $50 for two. And then compared sa US is like $15 for two. That's how bad it is now in Canada. It's very, very bad. So, and then sa question period, all these liberals are just saying, oh, we're meeting the quota, we're meeting the expectation ng Canadians. It's all a lie, right? It's all lip service. That's all they doing. No result, no delivery. And then pinagdebatehan pa na kailangan daw bumaba ang price ng bahay. Well, that's how they get voted in because I'm agreeing in some sense mga areas like Vancouver, Toronto, but in remote areas, why would they put down the price if it's already like at that level price?
600 meters. Turn
Right,
left
so
on Penn Road.
nandito na tayo. Next ulit. Dito na tayo magpa-park, backing in sa yard ng customer. I'm gonna wear my mask. Nausok talaga.
The next day.
Magandang umaga sa inyo. We're still doing a uniform ban. That's why I'm wearing this. Nasa laundry t-shirt na union uniform, so gamit ko lang itong hat, union hat. So today we're going to Valemount. Medyo mausok at kulimlim sa labas eh, dahil nga ata sa mga wildfires na nandito sa mga nalalapit. Yan, pagas tayo dito. Ano tayo, 3 oras tayo magbabiyahe. In between walang siyang stopover. Well, McBride after 2 hours. $1.31 ang per liter natin. Dito tayo ng dalawang 500 ml na tubig, Aquafina. $3.70 for 2. Wow. Yung mausok na panahon. May ginagawa rito. Ano gagawing subdivision ata. Pinapatag eh. Oh. Nagkumpisa na sila. Yan na. No bulldozer. Pison. Pison tawag sa atin yan eh. Hindi pisot ah. Yan yung bundok ang mausok. Giging tinapa na talaga. Sinusundan pala natin yung parang 1920s na mga car na galing sa Al Capone era. Yung ayan oh. Classic. Ako, nakikita niya. Kita niyo ba? Ganda oh. Ng construction time. Ito yung pilot car ata na susundan natin. Mga over 10 minutes tayo dito eh. Yan, sinusundan natin tong pilot car na to. Dito siya sa ibang lane. I guess may ginagawa sila dito sa kabilang side. Yan. Sira yung ano natin, isang wiper. Yan. Tayo sa bundok. Yan. Yung 1 kilometer na halos. Ay, malapit na. Yan, dito na tayo sa McBride. Yan. Bundok ng McBride. Mausok din dito. Umulan pero mausok pa rin. Pagka winter, daming snow. Pagka summer, magsa-summer, daming wildfire. Hindi na magandang kondisyon ng Canada. Sentex na to. Bago to, hindi na Petro-Canada. Tapos may mga Tesla charger dun. Din yung ESO. Chester's Chicken on the Run. Kaya tayo. Ayan, dito tayo sa bungad na ng Belmont. Kinig tayo ng Pinoy folk song.
What affordable housing is, they can just go back to when Stephen Harper was in power and Pierre Poilievre was the
famous mountain.
Mr. Speaker, I'll caution the member opposite.
Dito tayo sa Belmont. Dito yung ano natin Infinity. Pero kain muna tayo. Mahal lang dito. Gas sa Belmont 16 cents more. 130 lang sa sa Prince George. Dito $1.56. Ayan. Hindi tayo ng vegetable sandwich. Puro vegetable lang. Hindi ko nilagyan ng meat. $6.20. Tapos magkape tayo. Reward yung coffee. Sarap. Hindi Hey. See you later. Bye. Welcome to McBride. Nandito tayo kakain sa Giggling Grizzly Pub. Ano to? Ang laking parang turbine. Electrical generation. May game dito. Yeah. Good thing may game. Yan yung burger. May init pa. Sintang pa. Ayun natin. Yung timing ng Oilers. We're losing again. 2-0.
I was able to see that actually. That's when I had about fucking wow. Like they didn't even put something else to all 5 up. I think you know what benefit is it? Fried it. That's how I'm doing. 5 to 2.
Lang din. Sarap. Ang French fries. Ayan, kung nakarating kayo hanggang sa dulo ng video, at salamat sa pagsama at abangan ang ating susunod na vlog. Just comment below yung topics na gusto nyong itanong o comment about the vlog. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat sa pagsama at magandang gabi, umaga at tanghali sa inyo lahat.